Have you seen the Broncos lately? You know, the ones from the 90s. Probably own one and saying, man, I wished I would have held on to that if I knew it was going to be worth that much. Well, you get a second chance. This is a 2009 Hummer H3. It's not the 5-cylinder version. It is the Alpha package. The rare Alpha package. That means it's got the V8 engine in it. It has the chrome package on it. You see the wheels, the step bars, the fuel cover, the mirrors. It's got the roof rails on it with the key. It's got the moonroof in it. It's got the factory brush guard. Got all the toe spots, fog lights. In 2009, they didn't get better than this one. Got the heated leather seats. We have upgraded the head unit here with an Apple CarPlay Android Auto unit. Has a locking 4-wheel drive, traction control light, moonroof garage controls. Tan leather guts with the black trim. Big oversized tires on this one too. Those are 315s. Got the towing package, of course. That is beach sand. It's got the factory monsoon sound system in it with the sub, and that still is all hooked up and works correctly. 2 rear cameras. It's got the factory rear camera right there, and then also one there from the monsoon upgrade. This one's nice. If you're interested in it, no lights on the dash, no tire lights, no check engine lights, none of that stuff. Give us a call. We'll come by and check it out. It is rare, and you'll wish you owned it someday.